What's new? Huawei Y3 2018, new year new phone. Huawei chasing dreams, and now Y3 2018 is launched to impress the audience from the lower or middle class. This brand assured that they know the need of ordinary peoples. That's why Huawei Y3 2018 is going to make sure that they will get a taste of smartphone in their lives too. Specifications of this phone are not too much different from its previous sibling, but Huawei Y3 2018's software is the thing about which we are quite stunned. That an entry-level phone is going to launch with Android Oreo operating system, which is only available to handful devices. Huawei 2018 is going to be one of those devices which have this latest software and going to launch with it. Samsung's flagship devices have same software, but Huawei's Y3 2018 have unique setup because it is going to launch with the Project Treble, in which you will get the latest update after few days of launch. So it mean that Y3 2018 by Huawei will easily get next Android operating system, which is Android P. Screen size of the phone is 5.0 inches, which is same size as used in previous smartphone, while the Y3 2018's resolution is also same, which is 488/854. RAM of the device is 1GB, which is suitable for an entry-level phone, but the internal storage is only 8GB, which is not fair for Huawei Y3's 2018 because software is also going to get some storage while apps will accumulate some storage too. MediaTek MT6737 chipset is going to be the platform of Huawei Y3 2018 on which all the hardware will be installed. Battery power of the device will be 2200 mAh, enough to keep this phone alive for one day. Build OS Android V8.0 Oreo. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM dual standby, nano SIM. Colors various. Frequency 2G band SIM 1. GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA. 4G band LTE. Processor chipset MediaTek MT6737. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.0 inches. Resolution 480 by 854 pixels, 196 ppi. Memory built-in 8GB built-in, 1GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 128GB. Camera main 8MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, video. Front 5MP. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP. GPS yes plus a GPS support. Radio FM radio. USB microSD. NFC no. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors, accelerometer, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP3/WAV/EAC plus player, MP4/H.264 player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra Google search, Maps, Gmail, Talk, Organizer, Document Viewer, Photo Viewer, Editor. Battery capacity 2200 mAh.